Well, welcome back. Look around the region. Still a good amount of cloud cover out there. Temperatures mid to upper 70s for a lot of the region because of the rain we've been seeing today. So most certainly much cooler today than it was yesterday, which was largely sunny and most certainly hot. Now, as we continue forward, we're still dealing with some of these storms. So first off, let's go ahead and turn off the lightning so you can actually get a view as to what we are looking at there. It's the storms off to the southwest that are affecting parts of Crisp County, Dooley County, and Wilcox County that we've been tracking for a while. Now, something to take note of is the fact that no of our counties now in Middle Georgia are under a severe thunderstorm warning. That last one did expire, but we do still see off to the south this same storm. It is warned heading off to the east-southeast. That one, Ben Hill County, until 7 p.m., and the one to the south of that, 7:30 p.m. That, of course, for those severe thunderstorm warnings will continue tomorrow. These storms off to the west may not be done yet, but it does look like when this is all said and done, the heaviest amounts of rain are going to be the southwestern counties. Obviously, we'll take a look at those tomorrow. We're going to keep it temperature-wise 70s, low 80s. It really just depends on where you are and what you've seen rain-wise so far today. But I do think that our severe threats are going to be tapering off a little more as we continue into the evening. We do still have this level 2 for most of the region, but now as things are starting to cool down a little bit, I would expect the edge to get taken off of some of these storms. So our main threats have been and will continue to be high wind and large hail. There just isn't a lot of low-level ambient wind speed, which you need a lot of that to get tornadoes going. But these storms do have some pretty strong downbursts, downdrafts with them, and that leads to those strong straight-line winds. And, of course, there have been some strong hail cores as well, some pretty impressive convection with these storms. So as we continue through this evening, they're staying isolated, scattered in nature. Southwestern counties getting the bulk of the activity. They should all get out of here shortly after midnight. We'll be left with mostly clear skies heading into the start of tomorrow. It will be a nice one for our Tuesday, all right? It is going to be a hot day, upper 80s, low 90s, but you see this wind coming in out of the northwest. Gusts could get as high as 20 miles per hour tomorrow, which while that's nothing crazy, that most certainly is going to help to take the edge off that heat a little bit. As we head through tomorrow night and into Wednesday, I do expect skies will stay largely clear. Not so on there being a lot of clouds heading into Wednesday morning, and not even biting a crumb of the chance of rain Wednesday morning. I do not think we see any more rain after today until Thursday. Once again, on Thursday, a couple isolated storms will re-enter the fray. 67 for our low tonight. Most of us will be in the upper 60s as that wind shifts from the southwest towards northwest with the passing of this cold front. But you're seeing a lot of upper 60s. The warm spots will be hovering around 71 degrees. And then, of course, hot afternoon. We'll top off at 90 tomorrow for us in Macon. I'll have your extended forecast in 10 seconds. Your 4-to-1 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. Nice breezes the next couple of days kind of help take the edge off that heat. Below average to finish off the week temperature-wise. We do have a couple storm chances on Thursday, and after that, it looks like they'll get more Sunday and Monday.